These faceless motivational Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, and TikTok videos are getting hundreds of millions of views, and they are making tons of money. The craziest part is, they're all made with AI and it's completely free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do exactly the same by utilizing AI to create these motivational videos and start making money. So first, let's take a good look at these videos and analyze them. One special thing is they all have one thing in common. Let's see if we can uncover the secret together. All right, I will run a quick search for motivation, then show you a few of the results.
Number 1, hard work. Don't stress, bro. Let her talk to who she wants. If you can't find true love, work hard, biggest lesson I learned this year is to not force anything.
Did you realize anything? That's right.
They all use the same voiceover,
which I'm going to show you in just a minute. Besides, these are all random but high-quality footage with a dark color, deep and mysterious feel. Now let me show you how you can make these videos the easiest way by using free AI tools. First, go to ChatGPT here. You want to ask ChatGPT to create these motivational and spiritual quotes for your videos. So I ask ChatGPT to give me 10 simple quotes about motivation, love, and life to boost my spirits. Make sure they are at least 2 sentences long and have a positive and uplifting tone. And then ChatGPT will come up with something like this. Ooh, look at this one. Now, if you want to expand the quotes, just simply ask ChatGPT to add a second part to every quote. And there you have it. You can do this until you are satisfied with the results and feel free to play around. Let's move on to the voiceover. You have many options within this part. You can either use 11 Labs, Flicky, or Murph AI. But we will use 11 Labs for this, which is the best and free. Let's dive in here. If you already have an 11 Labs account, sign in using your email address and password. If you're a new user, create an account by providing the required information. 11 Labs offers a variety of pre-made voice templates to choose from. Browse through the available voices and select the one that suits your motivational video's tone and style. However, for these viral motivational videos, we will choose this AI voice Adam, the first one.
You cannot be lonely if you like the person you're alone with.
Sounds familiar? All right. Now you want to copy the quotes that you've already generated in ChatGPT and paste it here. Now hit the generate button and let the magic happen.
Motivation is the spark that turns dreams into reality. Ignite it within yourself and you'll illuminate the path to your aspirations. Your journey may have detours, but let each detour be a chance to discover new and unexpected treasures.
Once you're happy with the voiceover, download the audio file for use in your motivational video editing software. Now that you have the voiceover, we need to find some background music for our video. You've got a few choices on YouTube. You can include copyrighted music in your video by using YouTube Shorts audio library without worrying about copyright strikes. And on Instagram, many people use copyrighted music without issues. This is probably because most theme pages make money through shoutouts or sponsors, not from ads in their reels. But the best way is to use royalty-free music. Here are some recommendations: Pixabay, Artlist.io, and Epidemic Sounds. But I highly recommend Pixabay royalty-free music. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in motivational background music. This will filter the results to display only royalty-free music tracks suitable for motivational videos. I'll also leave a link below in the description. Go pick some music of your own choice. Once you've chosen the background music that fits your video, click on the download button located next to the track. Pixabay offers download options in various audio formats, including MP3, WAV, and OGG. You can also use Pixabay or Pixels to find free footage for your videos. It doesn't matter what footage you have, as long as they look nice and have high quality and some slight movements. Let me show you what I mean. These are some of the latest videos of this channel. I will play them without sound, and your job is to focus on these footages. Okay, now that we understand the concept, I will show you how you can easily adjust the colors and add captions right now. Let's go to CapCut. This is the ultimate free editing software that has been used to create thousands of viral videos. It has all the built-in tools templates that you need. I prefer using CapCut because of its convenience and efficiency. After downloading, open CapCut. Begin by importing the footages that you have selected from Pixabay or Pixels, along with the background music and voiceover. Make sure you place the voiceover above the background music in terms of layer. Now, one of the critical aspects of creating an impactful motivational video is syncing your voice over with the music. Carefully review your voiceover. You'll notice sound waves that correspond to your voiceover. Place the ending of the sound wave just before the music's climax. To make sure the music aligns perfectly, trim the beginning of the music track and position it at the start of your video. This synchronization ensures that your message and the music work seamlessly together.
Motivation is the spark that turns dreams into reality. Ignite it within yourself and you'll illuminate the path to your aspirations. Your journey may have detours, but let each detour be a chance to discover new and unexpected treasures.
Sounds pretty cool. Now that your background music and voiceover are perfectly synchronized, it's time to add that signature dark and mysterious feel to your motivational content. This is achieved through color grading. While color grading can be quite an art, we're going to start with some basic adjustments. We'll go to the Adjustment tab and create a custom adjustment layer, put it on top of the sequence, and drag it all the way down to the bottom. This way, all of your videos will have the same color adjustment, and you can also go into each of the footage to adjust them separately if you like. On the right hand is the adjustment section here. You can change the color to fit the mood you want by adjusting these sliders. For starters, you have temperature, hue, and saturation. I will slide this temperature to the left for more blue. This will create a sense of cinematic feeling, and I also do the same for the hue option. Next, I will adjust the lightness as we want a dark and deep atmosphere. I will decrease the brightness to -8 and increase the contrast to 8. I just pick 8 as my random number. Feel free to adjust to whenever you're satisfied. Also sharpen it a little bit. We're pretty much done. Take your time to make some changes until you feel good about it. No viral motivational video is complete without subtitles that ensure your message reaches a wider audience. They not only enhance accessibility, but also capture your viewers' attention. Now, click on VoiceOver. Choose the text section on the bar, hit Auto Caption, and create this way. Your voiceover will be auto-generated into captions in just a minute, which is real convenient. Start by placing your subtitles in the center of the screen for maximum visibility. Larger font sizes are often more effective, making it easier for viewers to read and engage with your content. If your subtitles are too long for a single scene, consider splitting them into multiple parts. This improves readability and keeps viewers engaged throughout the video. Now select a font style that aligns with the theme of your video. For motivational shorts, a classic, easy-to-read font like Arno Pro often works well. You can also add a shadow effect to make the subtitles pop off the screen. With all these elements in place, you're well on your way to creating a powerful, captivating, and emotionally resonant motivational video. Let's preview it.
Motivation is the spark that turns dreams into reality. Ignite it within yourself and you'll illuminate the path to your aspirations. Your journey may have detours, but let each detour be a chance to discover new and unexpected treasures.
Congratulations! You've successfully navigated each step of the process and are now armed with the knowledge and tools to create your very own viral motivational videos that inspire and captivate audiences.